Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are going to solve problems involving angles of depression for this particular question. Well, they give me that TF in the diagram is a vertical tower. The angles of depression of E from T is also given. So let's take a look at this diagram and what are we required to find. If AT is 56 meters, find the height of the tower. So the height of the tower will be this TF, right? So if I delve deeper into the diagram itself, and we are given AT is 56 meters, then if I have this particular angle here, angle ATF, which is simply 90 degrees minus 41 degrees, this is 49 degrees, then we could apply the trigonometric ratios, TOA-CAH-SOH, yes? Because once we have this, then given TOA-CAH-SOH, we are required to find TF. We are given 56 here, and we also know the angle 49 degrees with respect to 49 degrees. This is my adjacent side. This is my hypo. AH. I am going to apply cosine ratio in this case for part A. So now is how to present the answer. So for part A, step 1, the 49 degrees is not given to us, so we do have to share with people. This angle ATF is 90 degrees minus 41 degrees to give me 49 degrees. Thereafter, applying cosine ratio, cosine of this 49 degrees is equals to adjacent side A, which is TF, over my hypo 56. So I'm going to multiply 56 on both sides of this equation in order for me to find my TF, which is the height of the tower. And that will allow me to get 36.7393, about 6 significant figures, 36.7 meter to 3SF. Alright, part B, let's take a look. We are now required to find the distance AB and well, the most straightforward way would be for us to find AF and BF. Then when I add AF and BF, that will give me my AB. Okay? So that will be my approach for my part B, which I'm going to write it here. So to get AF, I'm going to apply TOA-CAH-SOH again, green color. So again, let's focus on the green color. I'm going to tap on 49 degrees. And my AF is my opposite side. And I'm going to use 56, which is again my hypo. So with O and H, Now I am going to apply my sine ratio. So sine 49 degree will be equals to opposite, which is my AF, over my hypo, which is my 56. And from here, I just need to multiply 56 on both sides. And that will give me 56 times sine 49 degrees. Okay? And we could leave it as such, okay? Because this is not the final answer, I'm going to leave it as such. I'm going to turn my attention now to my purple BF. Zoom in again. And if I know this angle here, which is simply 90 minus 28, 62 degrees. Then again, this is my opposite, and this is my adjacent side. So at this point, I do want to kind of make my diagram neater. Okay. So with O and A, why O and A? Because from previous part A, I know my TF. 36.7393. So I'm going to write it down there. 36.7393. Okay. So with that, I will then be able to apply my tangent ratio. Since I got O and A, to find my BF, okay? So from here, I will then be able to have my tangent, 62 degree. But before that, do let people know that angle BTF is equals to 90 minus my 28 degree. And therefore, tangent 62 degree opposite is my BF. Adjacent is 36.7393. And therefore, I will be able to get my BF by multiplying 36.7393 on both sides. And finally, I will then be able to get my AB. Which is simply my AF, 56 times sine 49 degrees, you can write as such. And my BF, which is 36.7393 times tangent 62 degree. And when I press my calculator, this will give me a value of 111.36 to about 5 significant figure. Final answer 111 meter to 3SF. And we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day as we continue other problems.